Good morning, class. Yesterday we have discussed about the primary industry. Now today we are going to discuss about the secondary industry. So the secondary industry makes use of product which are extracted and produced by primary industry as their raw materials and produced finished goods. For example, mining of iron ore is done in primary industry, but still manufacturing is done in secondary industry. So industry can be classified into two parts. First is manufacturing industries and second one is constructive or construction industry. First of all, we will discuss about the manufacturing industries. These industries are engaged in the process of conversion of raw material or semi-finished goods into finished goods. These industries create form utility by changing the form of raw material into finished products. For example, timber is converted into furniture, iron into steel, and sugarcane into sugar, etc. Okay, clear beta? Raw material is converted into finished goods in manufacturing industries. You know it very well what are the raw material and how it is converted into finished goods. But there are different types of manufacturing industries. First is consumer goods industries and second one is industrial goods industries. So consumer goods industry, which can be directly consumed by the consumer, are known as consumer goods. These goods are used for day-to-day consumption, for example, clothes, oil, soap, bread, etc. Yes, you know it very well. What are the consumer goods which we are using on a regular basis? And what are the industrial goods? And the goods which are produced for manufacturing consumer goods are known as industrial goods, like machinery, equipment, tools, etc., which are required to manufacture consumer goods. Okay, so industrial goods are those goods which are used as supportive goods for manufacturing the consumer goods. Clear? Manufacturing industries again has been classified into different parts. First is analytical industry, second one is synthetic industry, third is processing industry, and fourth one is assembly industry. First of all, we will discuss about the analytical industry. In analytical industry, the basic raw material is broken into different parts to produce finished product. For example, crude oil is processed and many finished products such as petroleum, diesel, kerosene are manufactured. Clear? This is known as analytical industry, where raw material is broken into different parts. Then synthetic industry. In synthetic industry, two or more material are mixed to manufacture some new product. For example, various chemicals are mixed to produce soap, paint, cosmetic, etc. Synthetic means together. Okay, so when two different or more materials are mixed to manufacture new product, it is known as synthetic industry. Then processing industry. In processing industry, the raw material is processed through various stages of production and then finished goods are manufactured. For example, textile, iron and steel, sugar industry, etc. And the fourth industry is assembly industry. Assembly means together. Okay. So in assembly industry, the various finished products are combined to produce the new finished product. For example, manufacturing of computer, television, watches, automobiles, etc. You heard about that. I have get the computer assembled. What does it mean? It means a computer having different part of different companies. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.